I was born to be free.
Good morning! What's up, everybody? Man. Chat, how do I sound? Listen, guys, we got a lot to talk about today. Good morning, everybody. Let's see who's in the chat. But before we actually say good mornings, guys, before I get my greetings, hold on.
It's like that.
All right. Before I hit y'all with my greetings here, listen, I don't know if I got lucky or if the market makers are subscribed to my YouTube channel or whatever it is, but it seems like for the first time ever in the history of human life, it seems like I streamed during a good time where movement is actually happening. Okay, And the funny thing is that if you guys are new here, I mean, I don't know who's new here. I haven't said hello to my friendos yet. But if you guys are new here, this hat is hitting my thing, which is no good. If you guys are new here, that like I had this up since last night, so maybe they saw it and they're like, you know what, we're gonna give Gio the views, we're gonna give Gio the clicks. So hey man, if any one of you guys are the market makers, good morning to you. Thank you for doing as you're told for freaking once. All right, chat, what's going on, man? How y'all doing? Johnny is well, actually some of the chat is not here because this thing was up for like 12 hours already. So let's see. Dice, is Dice here? Who's here? Guys, if you are here now, say good morning to me. What's up, man? Michael Javara, good morning. Crypto Novo's here. What's up, bro? How are you? Arctic Fox in the house. All right, Boo Boo Gaming says 20K, let's go. I'm for it, man. I am super for it. Armasaloo says smash the like. I agree with that. It's smart, very smart. All right, Straight Way Life, inverse head and shoulders forming on the 15-minute BTC chart. Also, descending broadening wedge equals bullish. Oh God, oh. You know when you like, we're gonna go non-family friendly for a sec. You know when you like climax and you like that just made me cringe, like but not in a good way. Man, we don't do broadening wedges, we don't do head and shoulders. What we do is follow the money. We don't do that. We could do potato wedges, but that's the only wedges I'm doing. G, listen real quick, shouts out to WAP who gave me this kind of dirty hat. A little bit dirty, but it's hitting my verse here. But shouts out to WAP if you're watching. Good morning, Tommy. What's up, bro? How you doing, man? How you doing? Jabs is here, says yo. What's up, Jabs? Ayan, good morning. Charant's in the chat. Sounds good. Beautiful. Inverse head and shoulders invalidated. Yeah, I would have guessed that. I don't even know what this is. Is this Chili's? CHZ? I have no idea. Morning, welcome. Sounds good. Good morning. Guys, it's gonna be harder for me to say good morning to every one of you because this is starting to get real like, man, we're getting a lot of clicks and a lot of traction lately. But good morning, everybody. Adrian's in the chat. What's up, my boy? Adrian's one of the OGs. The bird next door. How are you, my friend? I don't remember who you are in the Discord. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Hello from Colombia, says Daniela. Listen, Daniela, I'm coming to Colombia for the first time in June, okay? So I will see you there. Matt says, good morning, bro. What's up? Good morning. Use head and shoulders, but only in the shower. Let's go. Crystal logo. Okay, guys, listen. We have so much to talk about. It's not even funny. Would I answer a short now? Absolutely not. Okay, listen. We have so much to talk about. It's not even funny. So let's get ahead and get started with it. We got 100 people live right now. So shouts out to everybody. Guys, do me a favor. If you are new here, if this is your very first time, you know what we're going to do? I was just influenced by Mr. Julian here. Shouts out from Canada. Hi, hello, France. Guys, if you are new here, if this is your very first stream, drop your flag emoji, your country, wherever you reside right now. Drop the emoji and actually like give me where it's from too. Like if it's India, type India and then put an Indian flag because I don't know the flags. So sending me the flag emojis does absolutely nothing. But let me see who's new here. And if you guys are new here for the very first time, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you. Hello, Gio. Solana is dumping. Yeah, the entire market is dumping. Oh, Buzzer Snoop. All right, I got you, bro. Yeah, man. By the way, Gio, check the CVD spot. Good morning. All right, guys, listen. We got to catch up, man. We got to play catch up. We got to play catch up right now because Bitcoin is dumping, man. Bitcoin is dumping. First stream, Mr. G. What's up, bro? I think that's England. Be careful in Colombia with their world leader import product. Hungary. I just ate. Brazil. Yeah, Aaron, like this one, I got no idea. This is a pirate one. Aussie. Oi. All right, guys, let's talk BTC, man. Look, so, okay. Where did I leave you in the last stream? I mean, we were in this macro range, whatever. Why is the title of this stream? And how did I know 12 hours ago? Why is the title of this stream? What is the title of the stream? I don't even know what it is. Let's go check. This is Bitcoin about to dump, market cipher warning, and I wrote this isn't good. Why did I do that? Why did I say that 12 hours ago? Why did I say that things aren't looking good? And why are we down? I don't know how much we're down by that. Give or take, let's just say 3% since then. Why? How did I know this? The answer, my friendos, is market cipher. And if you are like me and you have stared at this indicator on the bottom, which is called market cipher B, if you don't know. If you have stared at this indicator at the bottom for a significant amount of time, the way I have, 3 years, you have able to, you can enter what I call the multiverse of market cipher, okay? Where I can see this indicator across multi-dimensions, across all time frames, all at the same time. So when people say, Gio, what's your favorite time frame? My answer is all of them, because I'm in the multiverse of market cipher, and my goal is to help you guys become also in the multiverse of market cipher, because this is a very, very powerful indicator. Nonetheless, let's play catch up, man, and let's talk about what happened. So, guys, the secret's out. I mean, it's not a secret. VIP is no longer free, okay? VIP is no longer free. You guys had it free for like 8 or 9 months, so congratulations, you have a baby now. Just kidding. I wouldn't wish that on anybody unless you want one. I don't want one, so but you guys had it free and now it is no longer free. So let's just recap what's going on, okay? We dumped, we ranged a little bit. I was saying last week and in my previous streams as well that this was a pretty difficult, I want to say pretty difficult range to trade. Why is it a difficult range to trade? Whenever you have a nice monster wick like this, and then we start to range within that wick, I would call it a very difficult, because market structure is kind of weird. So I would consider that a difficult kind of range. And something similar happened, right? Last Friday when we were streaming, I really thought that this was going to take the low, okay? I really thought that this was going to take the low. The fact that it did not take the low is absolutely mind-boggling to me, okay? I can't believe we didn't take the low. But ever since the entire weekend, essentially, in my no more free VIP Discord, okay? In the VIP Discord, I've been telling these guys all weekend, you know, guys, I expect lower. Guys, I expect lower. Guys, we have a lot of support beneath us. Okay, let's pull up our local stuff here. Okay, I said we got a lot of support beneath us, which is, this is a 1 hour order block, okay? We got a lot of support, and I even said yesterday in the VIP Discord, I said in this video update, I'm like, guys, we got a lot of support beneath us, but I don't think it's gonna hold up, okay? I don't think so. I absolutely believe that we are coming to take the low, and I believe we're gonna come and take the low today. We will see $40,000 break today. Okay, I believe we will see it. And like I said, for the first time seemingly ever, the market makers are giving me what I want. They're giving Papacito what he wants, and they're making the move now. Now, is there a chance that we don't take the low today? Yes, but I would say it is very, very unlikely, like superbly unlikely. And I think that if we don't take it today, it's coming this week. Like, it's almost guaranteed, okay? Why am I even saying that? Well, we need to understand the contents of our macro range. For the newcomers that are here for the first time, you did not catch Friday's stream, which is a kind of unfortunate because I hit you with some crazy knowledge on Friday. But we need to understand where we are in terms of our macro scale, okay? And I'm just gonna recap this little part, going more than this little macro, well, not little macro, but this macro range here. Guys, we've been in an uptrend since December of 2022, but we have not swept any liquidity whatsoever since, let's say, the early September, okay? Zero. Anybody with half a brain can admit, or I hope so, I mean, it's either that or all of YouTube doesn't have half a brain, can admit that we are very, very overextended, okay? We are extremely overextended. And you could say, oh, Gio, we already dumped, though. We already dumped, you know, we're already down 18% from the high. Guys, this is nothing. Remember this, okay? Remember, in the healthiest of bull markets, okay, in the healthiest bull markets possible, we still have minus 25% days. Where is our minus 25% day? And guys, I don't mean minus 25% and then we bounce back and then we finish the day only minus 5%. I mean minus 25%. I mean this bitch goes down and stays down. Where is the retracement? We haven't had one. We haven't even started yet, guys. So for the ones that long the top, I'm sorry to tell you, there is a chance that we can take the high again, and I'm not saying that we're not. Suggested by these vector candles, okay? You guys know how I teach you to trade the vectors within the range. So there absolutely is a chance for us to come and take the high again. But there is, in my opinion, there is no way that we're not going to come and take this low. And that is what I was suggesting. That's what I was saying for my VIP members all weekend, guys, all weekend. And so now that we understand where we are in our macro range, and we understand that no real swing lows have been taken. Okay, I'm going to say this very slowly. And I'm going to say this so that you guys understand what I'm saying, guys. If you're new here, every single day I teach you why the market moves the way that it does, so that you can have more confidence behind your trades, okay? I teach you why. I'm not like everyone else and I just say, oh, head and shoulders, it has to go down. I teach you how to follow the money, okay? Why does it do this? Listen. Where was I going? What was I talking about? I don't remember what I was talking about. I don't even remember. Oh, yeah, I remember. Listen. I'm going to zoom right in for you guys. You guys are going to see my ugly face right now. Listen. We have not swept any swing lows since September. It has been 5 months of no sweeping significant lows. So if you think that taking 18%, an 18% move to the downside is a big move, you are sadly mistaken. Let me move my big head. We have not taken any swing lows. Guys, we haven't even SFP'd any swing lows. We haven't even SFP'd them. Like, zero liquidity has been tapped for 5 months. This is the longest in Bitcoin's history since, I believe, 2011, where we have not seen a 25% or more correction. In the healthiest of bull markets, we have minus 25% days where the price stays 25%. Shit, your monitor broke with the... I know, man. I know. I'm sorry. I'll pay for it, bro. DM me on Discord. I'll pay for the new one. So, anyways, are we gonna come this close to the low? Like, I guess you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times and not tap it? Hell no. Okay? Hell no. So, all weekend, I was saying, guys, listen, we're going to just trade the range. So let's pull up our local stuff, right? We're going to just trade our range. We're going to trade the range. We gave a couple trade setups. Oh, this is my local. Where's my thingy? Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. I'll pull it up here. So look. This guy. We had our fixed range volume tool, whatever. We lost the value area low. Cool. Fine. This is our range, okay? This is what we were trading all weekend, was this here. And this was not extend right. We were basically trading this guy. Essentially, we were trading... Why is this still extending right if it's not on extend right? There we go. We were essentially trading this range. And in the VIP Discord, okay, in the VIP Discord, I did give these trade setups in advance. Right here, okay? Right here, I gave the trade setups in advance. Let me find the short. Where's my short? What day are we on right now? Right here. Right here, okay? I gave this trade setup in advance, and that was actually this trade right here, okay? That was this trade right here. Now, we were shooting for the low of the range, which we obviously, as you can see, we hit, and we've gone a lot more further. But I always advocate for holding a trade longer than just like, you know, you don't need to just take profit on the low. You can take half out and then let the rest run. Anyways, the short was given in advance. And why did the short even play out? What were we looking for over the weekend? Well, as you can see, let's get rid of the volume because we don't need it now. As you can see, over the weekend, we actually had a strong order block up here, and our price tagged the order block perfectly and rejected from it. So, shouts out to the VIP Discord, because this was given in advance, and if you took it, cool. If you didn't take it, that's okay, because it did happen kind of quick. But at the very least, if you didn't take it, at least you were notified very thoroughly and very many times that I do expect lower. Okay, so we got to keep that in mind. Now, remember, That's the local stuff. Doesn't really, like, that's not what you're here for, right? You're here, Geo, I want to make money now, okay? I understand that I'm not part of your VIP Discord. I understand that this has already happened, and so what about now? Okay, what's gonna happen next? Well, there are a few areas that we can look for, and I'm going to say this because nobody is telling you this, at least from what I see, okay? In my experience, it seems as though YouTube is tailored around, like your algorithms will show you whatever your bias is. So maybe mine, I don't know. That's in my experience, okay? So maybe you're seeing different stuff than I'm seeing. But what I'm seeing is still everybody is so freaking bullish. Everybody's on buy the dip mode, buy the dip mode, buy the dip mode. This is just a healthy correction. Buy the dip, buy the dip. And guys, I scalp, man. I trade, I long and I short at the same time all the time. So I'm not saying don't long. That's not what I'm saying whatsoever. But we need to be mindful of our key areas when it comes to the macro levels now, okay? Because we are at a macro level almost. We're almost taking this very, very macro low. So we need to be paying attention to this macro, to these macro key zones. So where am I looking at first, okay? First things first, we have a nice 4-hour order block just under our macro range low, okay? So we could very well SFP into that 4-hour. Well, that wouldn't be an SFP. We could very well SFP into below that low, bounce somewhere off of this 4-hour order block, and then potentially get a move to the upside. Now, remember how ranges work, okay? Remember how ranges work. Okay, so this guy says majority are bearish right now. So I don't see that. I see everyone is still bullish. So I don't know, maybe whatever. Anyways, doesn't change the fact. We don't trade based on emotions. We trade based on like fact and based on objective signals that we're seeing on the charts, okay? So anyways, right now, right, we have this 4-hour order block, okay? It is important to not get too bearish at the lows because as you know, we're gonna go back. We're gonna skip this and we're gonna come back to it. Because as you guys know, and as I've taught you guys many times, when you are at the high of a range, you typically will rotate to the low. When you are at the low of the range, you will typically rotate to the high, etc. And as you can see, this is a very, very clearly defined range. We have our lows that have not been tapped, okay, at all. And we have our high that, okay, you could say this high has not been tapped, and that is correct. But initially, this was our range high. So how many times did we actually tap it? 2, 3, 4, 5 times we took the high, whereas we never came back to take the low, okay? But it is just standard. It's standard for your range too. When you're at the lows, you come and you take the highs. When you're at the highs, you come and you take the lows, okay? It's literally just rotation, okay? That's exactly what a range is. And we are aware that when you have vector candles within your range, which, I mean, this is kind of concerning that we do not, it is likely to come up and take those highs, okay? So are we going to make it back up to these highs? I really don't know. And right now, we don't have any vectors here. So it is actually suggesting that we are not going to come back up to these highs based on this time frame at the very least, okay? So now where are we looking at lower? Where are we looking at lower? We have this order block, okay? In my VIP Discord, I told you guys, and I'm going to tell you guys now, okay? I'm going to tell you guys now. Guys, I know I've been talking about this since 38K. I know I've been saying this since October. I know, okay? I know. But I said this in the VIP Discord and I stay behind it. I stand behind it. This order block, you guys got to understand how long we've been in this range for. We've been in this range since December 10th. It has been a month and a half of sweeping zero lows in like as an extension of being like 4 months of sweeping no swing lows, okay? So we are super overextended even after this move to the downside. And you guys got to understand something. The more okay, every day I teach you guys how to build the narrative, okay? Every single day I teach you guys how to build the narrative. And it's important to build the narrative, okay? Part of building the narrative is understanding where we came from, okay? There's a story here, guys. This is not just candles. This is a story. I can tell you what market makers are doing. I can tell you what traders are doing just by looking at a blank chart, okay? There's a story here. The story currently is people are longing and they're putting their low under this, or their stop losses under this low. People also have limit, like post-limit short orders to hit a breakout trade. Because there is so much liquidity, like it's not even a little bit. Remember, we're overextended for over 4 months. We've been in this range for over a month and a half, and we haven't swept any lows in for a very long time. Because of this reason, there is so much liquidity beneath us that this 4-hour order block might not do anything, okay? This, you know, when I drew this 4-hour order block, guys, I drew it back here. I drew the 4-hour order block back here. Look at what has happened since that 4-hour order block. Do you think that now a 4-hour order block, or how about this? How about this? What do you think? A 4-hour order block is more powerful back here, or after this much time and this much liquidity has been built? What do you think? Obviously, back here it's a lot stronger than over here because so much has happened since then. So my point is because we have so much liquidity beneath us, this low might not hold, okay? This order block might not hold. I believe it's also one of the golden pockets. There's like 1,000 golden pockets you can pull from these lows, which is why golden pockets are kind of like unless you know how to build the narrative. But my point to this whole tangent that I'm taking, and don't worry, Jeremy, I'm getting to it, bro. My point to it is we could very, very, very easily come and take all of this liquidity, okay? Do not be surprised. I'm not saying we're going to, but I'm saying do not be surprised if we get a monster candle that... Oh, that's not it. A monster candle that could perhaps look like this and sweep all this liquidity. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but what did we say? Remember, there is, in the healthiest bull market, which I don't even believe we're in a bull market, but in the healthiest bull market possible, we still have minus 25% days where the price stays down. Not goes down and gets bought back up like it's been doing every single time, right? Huge dump, gets bought back up. Huge dump, gets bought back up. I mean, dumps and stays down, okay? Jeremy, I hope you listen to that part of it because no one else tells you that. All right, let's check the comments, man. Let's check the comments. So basically, guys, just be careful at this low, essentially. I am going to look to potentially SFP this low. Maybe we do something like this. Maybe we come. Maybe we even close here. Like, maybe we don't SFP. Maybe we just start closing here. And then look for a retracement, perhaps up in this zone. And then take price back down for a lower low. Maybe that happens, but it's too early to tell. It's too early to tell. Jeremy, you fool. Yeah, I agree. Okay. Woo! Let's catch up. You're, in my opinion, one of the most underrated charter in the space. Your view and translation of market maker mentality is second to none. All right, you're done pumping you. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Nice intro. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Makes sense, bro. Up only forever. Ooh, I don't know about that. Phil's in the chat. What's up, bro? They say buy the dip all the way to the 16K mark. Yeah, they do. They do. And I'm sorry, bro. I don't know which song you were referring to. But now that we got what we had to get out of the way, right? Now that we did our like kind of macro TA and we're talking about it, the streamer is bare. The streamer is human, bro. Guys, listen, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're returning, I need your help, man. Let's show the people the value that I provide. If I've made your life any better, I've helped provide clarity to you. I've showed your eyes. I've opened your eyes to the market makers, and I've made you start to look like, start to think less like retail. Let's get those money bag emojis in the chat right now, man. We do 2 parties every single day. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. Money. Money bags, money bags. Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. That would be a god candle. Tommy, bro, remember the first time you hit me with the goat emojis and I thought it was like a unicorn or like a giraffe or whatever? I'm like, what is this? Mother, get money. How many people we got in chat right now? Guys, smash the likes button. Smash the like button. I will do a bootcamp giveaway at 100 likes. 17 more likes and I will do a bootcamp giveaway. So make sure that you hit the like button. Hi from Hong Kong. Dude, that's freaking cool, man. That's cool. Okay. While you guys are doing me a solid and you're supporting me for free by hitting the like button, let's talk about what's happening locally, okay? So why did I even make this thumbnail this long ago? Why? What's the number one rule, guys? I posted a video on Friday or Saturday morning, which is actually my highest performing video. This one here, the market cipher rule you need to know. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. Guys, how did I make this thumbnail? Okay, how did I make this thumbnail? How did I post it so soon? How did I post it so confidently? Guys, the answer resides within this video. It's very easy. What's the number one rule? Can anybody tell me the number one rule when it comes to market cipher B? The answer is in the question. It's so easy. It is so easy. The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Okay? Money flow here on the 4-hour time frame is relatively thick. It's the thickest it's been in the last month at the very least, right? And so if we remember the number one rule, which is what? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. How many times have I said it? You can see very clearly that money flow was thick down here. We haven't had any divergences. Where's the divergences? Where? Show me a divergence. If you show me a divergence here, I'll give you $100. Where's the divergence? There isn't one. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. When you build your narrative, okay, when you guys are building your narrative, let's skip a couple songs now because we had to rewind. When you guys are building your narrative, when y'all are building your narrative and we're the whole picture, right? You're building the whole picture. They are drawing out a picture for you. When you're building your narrative and you say, guys, this low hasn't been swept in a month and a half, and everyone's like, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, and we're getting strong candles down like this, and money flow is thick like this, and we're saying there are 0 divergences yet, like, it's not that hard. It ain't that hard, my boys. It ain't that hard. And guys, listen, I have 4 boot camps currently, okay? Market structure boot camp, key zones and building the narrative boot camp, order blocks and liquidity boot camp, and our star, I feel like the most purchased one is the market cipher B and time frames boot camp. And once we get to 100 likes, which we're still not at, I'm very upset. Once we get to 100 likes, I will be doing a giveaway on one of these boot camps, and you can choose whichever one you want. So if you want to learn and understand market cipher B the way that I do, and join me in the multiverse of time frames and market cipher, hit the like button and you might actually win. Woo! Bigger the money flow, the more chances of divs. Yes, sir. Samuel says hello from Botswana. I have no idea where that is, Samuel. If you put a gun to my head, I wouldn't be able to tell you. But hello from Canada, man. I'm glad that you're here from this Narnia type land that I've never heard of. So if cryptos are mostly layers and based for their use cases, why wouldn't price go down? Wouldn't that make it better for customers? I have no idea. I don't do anything with news. I have no ideas. Bear div Jan 12, 2 a.m. UTC equals 10. Are you saying we had a bear div? Jan 12? Oh, to get the money. No, I meant in this one. Crypto Shredder is from Melbourne. That's cool, man. Melbourne. Melbourne. US Michigan says B-Rad Crypto. Cool. You're like 3 hours away from me. Hello, great music. Appreciate y'all. Order blocks bootcamp is so fire. You watch that mofo every day. Bro, you know, I actually go back and I watch it myself. Like, I learn from myself. Austria in the house. Let's go. 100th like. Okay, we got to 100. Yo, by the way, hold on. Hold the phone here real quick. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. There was a winner. Who was the winner? Somebody won. Who won? Someone won something. I don't remember. Arc Studios. Arc Studios, bro. If you are here, you won a bootcamp giveaway, man. We're waiting on you. We messaged you. All right, so look. Okay, let's take a look real quick locally before we do our giveaway. All right. What do we know? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. You're allowed to take the trade if you're getting money flow divergences along with momentum wave divergences. And as you can see, objectively, right, we are getting money flow divergences over time here on the 3-minute, right? We are getting money flow divergences over time, right? We are getting money flow divs over time. And we are getting momentum wave divergences as well, okay? This is important. Now, remember, because of where we are, the narrative that we built in the morning, we're in this huge macro zone, huge macro range. We're at the low of it. We're testing the low of it for like the 6th time or whatever it was. This is a very, very, very manipulated zone, okay? So you wouldn't actually expect them to just dump the price all the way through, all the way to the downside as of now. What do we know? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Now we can follow the money flow on the 15. You guys got to understand where you are when it comes to market cipher. Look at this. We have 2 rules with the money flow. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, which when entering, okay? If you're getting a money flow divergence as well as a momentum wave divergence, you are allowed to enter the trade. If you are not getting that, as we are not getting it right now on the 15, okay? We are not getting it on the 15, then you are allowed to enter on the 3rd wave, okay? The 3rd tap. So this is your 1, this is your 2, because this did sweep that low. This is your 1, this is your 2. And right now, what we are going to be waiting for is the up, wherever the up may take us, the down one more time, and then this would be your 3 wave. This would be your 3. This is what we are waiting for currently, just because the number 1 rule, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences, and the rule when it comes to entering it, which is if money flow is not diverging, then you need that 3 tap. And by the way, guys, all of this is illustrated in this video, okay? These 3 videos, you guys want to learn market cipher for real without like spending the $100 on the bootcamp? 1, 2, 3. These are your videos. These are your foundation. Start here and then make the decision on if you want to purchase and really take your market cipher to the next level. And join me in the multiverse. Join me in the multiverse. So that's what we're waiting for right now. So my intro was perhaps the market makers don't hate me and they want to give me the trade. Maybe it might take a couple hours, right? Because look, if we were going to draw this, right? How long is that? That is like 2 p.m. my time, give or take. That's like 3 hours away. Okay, so we might not actually get the trade during this stream, unfortunately. But, you know, we got to watch out for it. Another thing to note is here on the 15, we did actually, technically, SFP this low, right? Barely, but we did SFP this low. Meaning that this here is our current target for, if you were to like scalp, if you caught this SFP, the target is this high at 41.2. Okay, so although I do think we are going to break the low, it might take a little bit longer than we're expecting and that we want. My market cipher gang, let's go. Let's go. Hello from France, sick, pronounced Melbourne. Melbourne. First time here, you're from Belgium. What's up, bro? Welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Indiana. It's not news, it's simply logic. Why would customers not want a cheaper product, aka crypto? I mean, it's not up to customers though. It's not up to you or I what the price is gonna do. No, the 3rd tap does need to make a divergence. So this would be your first, this would be your first wave of your div, because this is a div, right? This is a divergence. So when we get something like this, that would be a divergence and that would be a divergence. So we would have 3 divergences. It would be the 1, 2, and the 3. Can someone explain what market cipher is? Don't want to sound dumb, but you keep hearing it in a phrase and you like to learn. Eric, market cipher is this premium indicator here on the bottom, okay? It's this indicator. It's basically an oscillator, no different than your other oscillators that you can get on your chart, like the RSIs and whatever. No different than those. But It's dressed up nicely, and it has this green and red wave, which is our money flow. And at the end of the day, the only thing ever that moves the market ever is money flow, is money, because this is a game of money. Okay, it costs money for the market makers to move the price. So this whole thing is a game of money. There's no such thing as triangles and falling wedges and whatever else. That's not a thing. And this helps you follow the money, essentially. On the 15, haven't we done a double bottom, a W? I mean, yeah, we like technically did, right? We did, which I just said this could be our target. Like, you could target this. Technically, this is the target, right? It technically is the target. And if this is the target, what's to stop price from taking this high next? Like, why wouldn't they take that high? And then, so they could probably even reject from like higher, right? They could reject from like up here, for example. Here's an order block that has not been mitigated. So you could say, price, I'm going to look for shorts up here, which is possible, right? We just drew the picture. But based on the 4 hour, the thicker the money, the more chance of divergences. It doesn't have to happen right away, but come on, man. Where are the divs? Look at the 6 hour as well. 6 hour money is getting thicker in the red. 8 hour just crossed into the red. There's no, like, I can't say there's no way, because trading is all probabilities. But guys, the thicker the money, the more chance of divergences. That's rule number 1. So just don't be ignorant to thinking that, oh, we're gonna go to 50K from here, which we may. I'm not saying we won't. We might. Anything is possible technically, but the thicker the money, the more chance of divergences. It is a lot more probable to take the low than to come to the high. And these vectors coming up, this green vector also suggests that we're gonna come back down. Right? Green vectors are not a good thing, especially when you're at lows like this. Definitely not a good thing. Hanging out in Thailand. Dang, that's sick. Thank you. You are the best, not me. Hello from Ukraine. Trading under missiles and shit. Your analysis is fire, bro. Hey, listen, I'm sorry to hear, man. I hope you and your family are safe. That's sad. That's very sad. That is very sad. Geo, any plans for merch? Might be difficult because Geo dudes and copyright stuff, but Geo merch would be fire. Y'all want merch? Maybe. No plans as of now. I always found it weird. For like crypto people to have merch. Like, I don't know. I just found it weird. I'm like just a normal dude. Like, I don't know. I thought it was weird. I think it's weird. All right, guys, let's do our giveaway, man. Let's do the giveaway. Let's get our giveaway going. Al Ramahi, hello from Norway. What's up, man? All right, guys, listen, we're gonna when nukes. I hope, man. I hope. Not for Ukraine, but for us now on Bitcoin. Okay, guys, we're gonna do our giveaway. So here's what we're gonna do. You guys are gonna come to my recent Market Cipher video that I posted. Okay? My recent Market Cipher video. I'm gonna post the link here. Okay, that's the link. Everybody go to that link. You have to leave a comment in that link. You have to like, you have to leave a comment. The comment has to say, you can write whatever you want. I don't care what you write, but it has to have MC and it has to have a crown in it. So it has to look like this. Okay? You can write anything. You could write MC crown. Geo, you suck at Market Cipher. You're the worst person on the face of the earth. You're ugly, and whatever else. You can write whatever else you want, but it has to have MC and crown in it. Okay, what time is it right now? Right now it is 11:01. In 9 minutes, I'm gonna give you guys 9 minutes to go ahead and do that. Make sure you like the video. After I do the comment picker, I'll get you guys. I'll tell you guys what to do with the details and stuff. You're now a Geo supporter and will shout my name from the YouTube rooftops. Well, Eric Carter, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. So do I think short term or keep dumping? Listen, the thicker the money, the more chance of divergences. And so, I mean, you could remember, you're always your job on the fly, and we're getting new information all the time. Every second, we're getting new information on the chart, so things can change, but you're always going to build your narrative. So on the 4 hour, we know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. On the 4, on the 6, on the 8, we haven't had any divergences, okay? So we're already favoring down. Now, does that mean that we can't come up first? No, of course it doesn't. It means we absolutely can come up first still. But if we are going to come up, where could we potentially expect to come? What makes sense? Well, this high took out this high. So does it make sense to come up to this high? No. Okay, it doesn't. This high didn't really take out anything. This high didn't really take out anything either. So if we are going to continue to the upside, does it make sense to come and take this high, which would align with our market structure in that we SFP'd the low, meaning this is our target? Well, if we're going to take this high, why wouldn't we come and take this high? Because a lot of people that are shorting here don't put their stop losses here. They put it up here. Okay, so really, we're probably, if we're going to continue higher, if we're going to come and take this high, okay? Now, where could we reject from if we take that high? We could come all the way up to, like, let's say 41.6, 41.5, right? $800 from here, because this order block has not been mitigated. But again, remember, does coming to this high make sense? Well, no, not as of currently, because unless we're going to continue higher and break through it, not currently, because this high already swept liquidity, whereas these guys, like, we haven't, right? So we could come up, sweep this liquidity, bounce off of this order block that has not been mitigated, and then continue our move to the downside, which would then look something like this on the 4 hour. Remember, the 4 hour has a lot of time to still do this and give us a divergence. Okay, so that could potentially coincide with the 15 looking like this. Up, maybe we sweep all that, then we come down, then we come up, right? Because remember, the whole game is market makers attacking your liquidity, right? They're trying to wreck as many of you as possible. That is the game. And these guys here that are putting heavy positions at these lows, thinking, oh, we held support once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times, whatever it may be, are saying, okay, we're at the lows, I'm gonna long it again because clearly it's been working out. But the thing is that it works out until it doesn't. And it works out until the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. So we'll see. We'll see. We could continue higher, like I said, but that's how you build your narrative in real time, guys. And this is what you need to do when you're trading. And something that I recommend very much so, I recommend that you guys do, aside from hitting the like button, I suggest you guys, when you are entering trades, talk to yourself, man. Talk to yourself and think out loud the way that I just did. And you build a lot of confidence when you do that. You build a lot of confidence when you do that. Guys, in 5 minutes, I'm doing a bootcamp giveaway. I currently have 4 bootcamps. You are allowed to choose whichever one you want. Market structure bootcamp, key zones and building the narrative bootcamp, order blocks and liquidity bootcamp, and market cipher B and timeframes bootcamp. If you are the winner, you can choose whichever one you want, and I will do a boot camp giveaway for every 100 likes. Listen, every 100 likes I get on stream this week, I will do a boot camp giveaway. So here we got to 100 likes, I'll do a giveaway. If we get to 200 likes this stream, then I'll do another giveaway. If tomorrow we get to 300 likes, then I'll do 3 giveaways. Okay? Every 100 likes for every stream this week, I will do a bootcamp giveaway. So smash the like button. Guys, I have to go pee. Actually, I have to go do something else. So this is what we're going to do right now, okay? While I'm waiting to do the giveaway, and I got to be back in 5 minutes anyways, let me tell you what we're going to do here, guys. Let me tell you what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do, okay? Do I look Lebanese? Lebanon! You should have started listening to me a long time ago. I should have started speaking to you a long time ago, bro. I'm sorry. It's my fault, not yours. Guys, listen, this is what we're going to do. I have to be right back in 5 minutes. You guys know the ones. My OGs already know what I'm going to do. Drop an emoji on what I'm going to do, okay? Drop an emoji on what you think I'm going to do right now. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to play a better song, and I'm going to turn the volume up, and I'm going to be back in 5 minutes. I'm going to hit you guys with an ad, okay? I'm going to ask you to please not skip the ad, okay? Don't skip the ad, because you're not going to miss anything anyways, and it's a free way for you to support me and my channel, just like hitting the like button, okay? Be right back. And then we'll do the giveaway. No, I cannot reach the rim, bro. I genuinely think that some of you guys think that I just do that, but I swear on my life, I'm dead serious. Bitcoin needs to take a few hints from me, a few tips from me, because I know how to dump. Not like, not like, not like Bitcoin. Don't see any ads. Yeah, for whoever has premium, I still get paid. But for whoever has an ad blocker, I'm just kidding. I have an ad blocker too. I got one too. Drop that shit, homie. All right, guys. How many comments are we at right now? Let's see. I'll say. Let's check it. Let's see what we're at now. 107 comments. Guys, you have to like the video. If the video is not liked, you will not get paid with knowledge. All right? You will not get paid with knowledge if you don't hit the like button. What are we at right now? 10. Okay, 30 more seconds and I'm gonna hit that. Should have GoPro'd the entire event. Hey, everybody back here. Yo, team shit, bro. Team shit. While the market's in the crapper, we're coming to you live from the shitter. Team shit, bro. Team shit. You know when you're like drunk with your boys and you go take a team piss? You're like camping or whatever and you're like, yo, team piss? Like, it's the same thing. Team shit. You're still a crypto noob, but I would watch Gio and Jay Casper every day, all for the entertainment value alone. I appreciate that. I am quite the entertainer. I would like to, I like to believe anyway. Fastest poop ever. Yo, I'm telling you guys, I'm quick. Nah, bro, Eric, we do this every day. We do this every day, man. This ain't something new. My OGs know. My OGs know. Okay. Guys, listen, we're at 140 likes on the stream. We're going to do a giveaway here. You guys already entered. We're going to hit the refresh button. We're going to get the link here. We're going to press the refresh button here. And this is what we're going to do. Listen, because this video is the most bumping video that I have right now. So I'm going to filter duplicate users. And if you had commented prior to today and it doesn't have the market cipher crown thing, then I'm going to search and see if you commented prior. And if you did, and you did the market cipher crown thing, then you're still going to win, okay? That's going to be the rules because some people already support me without me asking you guys to. You guys do it on your own without me holding your freaking hands, all right? Come on, baby, let's go. Team pissing is one of the best moments of your life. What do you mean one of, bro? I do this all the time. That's the swamp ass shit. Geo Wicks. Man, I'm telling you, bro. I hope Bitcoin knows. I'm gonna teach Bitcoin a thing or two about dumping because it doesn't know. All right, guys, the winner. I want to change the song, but I keep getting copyright strikes, and I think it's like impacting my my CPM. That's the problem. All right, let's do this. Cause I got high hopes for living. Okay, guys, bootcamp giveaway winner. Ready? Are you ready? How did I like Frankie Candle's stream? Yo, let me say this. Let me say this. Hold on. Let me say this, bro. I'm gonna say this real quick and then I'm gonna do it. This was my very first time. Friday night was my very first time on Frankie's stream, and I actually very much enjoyed it. I think he's the only other streamer that talks as much as I do. I think a Frankie Geo collab would be so freaking fire, man. I think it would be so freaking fire. Okay, guys, bootcamp giveaway. Are you ready? I'm so dramatic. I'm sorry. Guys, I can't do my raspy thing because the mic doesn't pick it up. If I go bang, the mic like doesn't pick it up. It's so annoying. Anyways, Justin G9268, sir, or ma'am, you could be Justine. I don't know. You are the winner of the bootcamps. Congratulations. Congratulations. Listen, this is what you got to do for me, Justin 9268. This is what you got to do, okay? Come over to the YouTube. Make sure you're on this video that you were on. Click on the top right here, this thing. Take a screenshot of this. Make sure that we can see that the video is liked as well. Head over to the Discord, wherever my Discord is. Head over to the Discord and DM one of my moderators. Okay, DM one of my mods that screenshot, and we will get, and then let them know also which boot camp you are interested in. We got the market structure, key zones and building a narrative, order blocks, and market cipher B. Let them know which one you want, and I will get that sorted out for you right after stream. Guys, I'm gonna do a bootcamp giveaway for every 100 likes on every stream this week. Okay, so if you didn't win, don't be sad. We're only 54 more likes away. All right, where's my comments at? You're a sore loser. Listen, I've been on that end of it, bro. Don't worry. I've been on that end of it. Trust me on that. Believe that. All right, believe it. All right, guys, let's take a look at some alts, man. Let's take a look at some alts. Guys, hold on. I'm gonna get my cardio in. It's freaking cold down here, so I tell you. Okay. Bonk. Cass. You gave up work to trade, but just need a little help getting you over the 9. Would I consider doing any one-on-ones? Yes, I do. I do one-on-ones, guys. So if you are interested in one-on-ones, either DM myself or one of the moderators. If we are not friends, I do not accept DMs. So if we're not friends, then DM one of the mods, and we'll get it sorted out. Tamer, you never win anything. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Hopefully next time. I'm rooting for you. Okay, guys. Take a look at Ape. Look at the Dogecoin. I do think the Dogecoin is going to be important to pay attention to. And I also think, guys, Ethereum. Listen, don't sleep on ETH. Do not sleep on ETH. Okay. So look, I'm gonna look at some alts for you guys. Let's start with Doge. I'm down to start with Doge. I'm down to start with the Dogecoin. Look, we're gonna look at some alts here, okay? This was an old position that we did in the VIP, and we weren't actually shooting for the highs. We won it, and I said it's time to close it, so don't worry about that. Listen. I tell you long ago. Okay, listen. Let me hear me out. We're gonna look at some alts for you guys, okay? We're gonna look at some alts. I'm gonna say this one time and one time only, because I don't want to say it every time, because I say it literally 100 times a stream. Let's pick a cool song, because I say it 100 times a stream. Okay, so your altcoins, okay, your alts are going to be, your alts are going to follow Bitcoin. Okay, I say it every single time. Your alts are going to follow Bitcoin. Okay, so keep that in mind. And I say this every time as well. Okay, I say this every single time as well, that it is important to understand where your alts are relative to where Bitcoin is. So I'm going to show you the example with Ethereum, and then we're going to do the Dogecoin for you, okay? Listen, you need to understand where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is at a macro SFP low, a macro range low, okay? If we come to Ethereum, has already broken. Has it already? Let's see. Okay, no. Ethereum right now is approaching a 12-hour order block, and you could argue that this is the low. Okay, let's come to a lower term time frame, actually. Yeah. So this is a swing low on Ethereum. Okay? This is an SFP level, and it's capital because it's a macro SFP level. Okay? This is going to be so easy. I hope, especially for the new people, that you guys understand that. Okay, look. You have to pay attention to where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost at its macro low. Ethereum is also almost at its macro low. They both have order blocks just beneath their macro low, okay? This is all I'm saying. You just need to know where your coins are relative to Bitcoin, okay? So let's look at Doge. Dogecoin is interesting because Dogecoin has the whole Elon stuff. Doge pumped over the weekend, or not the weekend, but was this the weekend? Yeah, Doge pumped on Saturday because of the whole Elon thing and whatever else. Doge tapped into a 2-day order block. Doge front ran this 8-hour order block. Okay, front ran the 8-hour order block. So Doge is interesting. I do think Doge has a promising move to the upside. On a more macro look of it, let's hide the naked points of control. On a more macro look of it, we do have a lot of liquidity above here that we can take. However, as you can see, we got smacked down by this order block. Okay, why did we get smacked down? Simple. It is liquidity, nothing else, nothing more, nothing less. Did we get smacked down because it was a buy the rumor, sell the news thing? No, it was not. Okay, so it's all money, guys. The whole market is moved by money. Look, we have a nice green vector candle to the upside and it just got recovered. Nothing else, nothing fancy. Now let's take a look at market structure. Okay, let's take a look at market structure from this dump. Unlike Bitcoin, unlike Ethereum, unlike everything else, Dogecoin actually did sweep some lows. Okay, and remember, I tell you guys to pay attention to where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has not swept any lows, and Bitcoin is at a very, we'll call it macro scary point of support, right? Because if we lose that, it's really, really to the downside. Now, where would Dogecoin's equivalent, in my opinion, to Bitcoin taking the low? Where would it be on Doge, right? So if Bitcoin takes this low, where could we expect Doge to go? Well, Doge doesn't need to take its low because Doge already took its low. Okay, and you can see that, right? Remember, as Bitcoin dominance increases, as it's going to keep increasing, because I don't believe that we are in a bull market. As Bitcoin dominance increases, your alts are going to, and Bitcoin dumps, your alts are going to bleed. And you can see that. Solana's down 4%, Ethereum's down 4%, XRP's down 4%, 6%, 7%. So your alts are going to bleed a lot more. But Dogecoin is actually doing a pretty good job, right? 1.5 only percent. It's down less than Bitcoin is. Dogecoin is doing a very good job of holding, okay? This is a good sign. This is good. I'm telling you, Dogecoin has a lot of promise for higher prices. And actually, in the VIP Discord, we were talking about Dogecoin, okay? We were talking about the doggy coin, and we were setting up, we were showing levels in the Discord, okay? We were trading it over the weekend. Now, if Bitcoin decides to shit its bed and take the low, the entire market is going to follow it. There's no question about it, okay? No, maybe one or two coins will do the opposite, but it's very unlikely. It's very rare for that to happen. In my opinion, okay, in my opinion, the level to watch for the doggy coin is, I mean, there are a few levels, but the first stop would be this guy here, 79.60. Why? Number one, we have an order block here, okay? And it's an order block that caused a pretty significant move to the upside, right? Like, we broke all kinds of highs when we had this order block put in place, okay? And the second reason is we have a naked point of control dead center of this order block. So what you can do is you can write down this coordinate. I'm on Binance USDT, I think. Yeah, I'm on spot, which I don't really usually. I never trade spot, but whatever, it's the same shit. I don't scalp alts like that, so it's not that important. But anyways, we have a nice naked daily point of control at 7923. Okay, so we can set an alert here and say NDPOC plus, let's just say OB equals look for longs. Okay, now when it comes to market structure, remember Dogecoin, unlike many of its counterparts, that's not true. Dogecoin didn't pump like its other counterparts, but Dogecoin's market structure since our large dump, like remember, you got to pay attention to what happened to Doge relative to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's massive dump happened, and Bitcoin's market structure still is bearish, okay, based from this dump. Dogecoin's market structure, however, is not bearish. Why is it not bearish? Well, because we actually swept the low and we broke a new high. So let me show you how market structure looks on Doge. We have high, we have low, we have lower high, we have lower low. Here is where we flipped bullish for a higher high. Then we made a higher low. Then we made another higher high. Okay, so expectational order flow. What is this, like Halloween song? Okay, so expectational order flow could potentially be higher high for a higher low. And this order block is, in my opinion, where we need to watch for that higher high. Now, remember what I said the very beginning of when I said, okay, it's time to pay attention to these, or sorry, you need to watch Bitcoin when you're trading these altcoins. If Bitcoin does not SFP its low, and we just start closing below, we start closing 4-hour, 8-hour daily candles down here, guys, the whole market is going to lose confidence and everything is just going to shit the bed, okay? And if that happens, this little order block is not going to hold. And if that happens, how can we build the narrative or build the idea that this is not going to hold? Because although I do think that it has a potential to hold, we have a lot of liquidity under these lows, right? So we could keep coming down further. And if we do come down further, what is our clue? What's the clue for that? Well, just like we drew our market structure, this was actually an SFP, okay? This was an SFP 100%. It was not a confirmed higher high. And just based on market structure rules already, if you SFP the high, the low that put the high in becomes its target, okay? So this low is the target. This low currently, as things stand right now, this low is the target on Dogecoin because we SFP'd the high. And so when you're building your narrative, guys, you think I trade all these coins? Do you think I trade all this shit? When you're building your narrative, you need to understand what other coins are doing because they talk to each other, okay? When it's not, I'm not going to say very rare because it happens, but it's a lot less common for one coin to go completely against the rest of the market than it is for everything to be in alignment. Okay, it's a lot less common. So right now, if Dogecoin's current target, just based on Doge alone, is this low, and we're talking about how Bitcoin's low relative to Dogecoin, like Dogecoin's low would be where like at this level, perhaps, right? Then we could say that maybe Bitcoin is not going to hold up. And maybe Bitcoin is not going to SFP. It could. I'm not saying it's not. But remember, trading is all probabilities. People always say, Geo, man, you say this and you say that. You don't tell us what's going to happen. Dude, I'm not a freaking... I'm not a psychic. Like, the whole game is probabilities, right? If you're playing poker and you got bullets, okay? You got pocket aces. Like, statistically, you have the best probability to win. You have the best hand in the game. Does that mean that you're going to win? No, you could be up against the 7-2, which is statistically the worst hand in the game, and you could just get blown out. You could get 3 7s on the first 3 cards, and you're done. Right? So it's all probabilities. And right now, based on what we're seeing, based on what the market makers, remember, they leave clues behind. Based on the clues that they're leaving behind, this is technically a targeted low. Yeah, this is technically a targeted low. And that, my friendos, is how you build a narrative in real time. All right, let me just read the comments real quick. Doge move because the Elon tweets. Yo, thanks for the giveaway. No problem, Justin. No problem. Just DM the mods. We'll get that sorted for you, bro. We will get that sorted. By the way, guys, if you like my content, if you guys are liking what you're hearing and liking what you're seeing, I do have a VIP section of my Discord, as I mentioned a couple times, and I update this thing like 10 times a day. I do video updates, and then on top of that, now we actually do live VIP sessions where when I do my technical analysis, I do it live on a few coins, and and I talk to you guys and I engage with you guys. Okay. And so if you are looking to join my VIP section, head over to the link in the description, wap.com/trader-geo, and you can sign up for my VIP Discord right here, in addition to the boot camps if you want them. Oh man, I gotta give the disclaimer. Oh, I goofed so hard. Okay, guys, disclaimer. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I can't believe I missed it. Okay, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. And Justin Trudeau is a virgin. Seriously, like, F that dude. Always do your own research. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, don't listen to me. What do I know? I'm just a guy that does it full time. What do I know? What do I know? All right, Morovsky says, yo, bro, I'm in a long position now. Bitcoin, I will keep it. I don't think it's going to break today. Hey, it might. It might. It might not break today. I think it will, man. I think it will break today. I think it will. Either today or tomorrow. Have I ever traded options? No, I have not. I want to trade options, though. Like, I do want to. I want to, yeah, I want to. Geo, I use Tino's hybrid and market cipher. I use Tino's indicator. Like, I'm using TR main. I'm using TR main to see the vectors, right? Because everything I teach is following the money. And so, like, I've combined the two to have a solid strategy. One of the easiest rules ever with market cipher B is if you see a green dot, like, look at this. You see a green dot, you look to the left. Let's go even back in time. Look. Look, you're anticipating your green dot. You're saying, okay, Bitcoin looks like it's gonna get a green dot. I gotta look to the left. This red vector can get recovered. It can get recovered. That's all you say, and then bang, look, a good amount of it got recovered, right? Simple rule, guys. And this is stuff that I teach you guys every day. Every single day, I'm here for y'all. Am I a millionaire? I am sadly not a millionaire yet, but I am working towards it. I am very much so working towards it, Aaron. Are you a millionaire? I will be, man. I will be one. I will be. You are king, market cipher. Thank you, Chris. Best disclaimer ever. Yeah, I usually, I'm gonna change the last line every time, but I, like, got busy. I don't know. The Justin Trudeau is a virgin. I'm gonna change it every time. The first one was, and cats are just snakes with fur. So, I guess shouts out Aaron that has a snake with fur in her picture here. I'm sorry, I don't mean to offend you. Real King Solomon says you and Jason trade together. We don't trade together, no. That would be cool though. If him and I ever did like a competition, he would destroy me. I'll tell you that. That's for sure. You were talking about crypto options? No, I never thought about crypto options. But I want to trade like actual options, not like I don't know about stocks and shit. I'm like, you know, I don't really know about it. But I want to. My buddy does it full time, and I'm like trying to get him to have his own like section in the Discord. Crypto Banter was pushing options. Yeah, I don't watch them. You're using Lux Algo? Happy days, dude. Tino's a G, man. I say it all the time. If I ever have the opportunity to speak with Tino, I will be so honored. That guy changed my changed my life, literally. Literally, that guy changed my life. Say it, Gio. I am a millionaire. Hey, listen, I'm not even in a listen, I will never forget where I came from. I never had money. And I will 100% be a millionaire. I will not stop until I am. And that's not even that much, but I will be a millionaire 100%. And I truly believe it. And I work hard towards it. And I will remain humble. And I will donate where I can. I will give as much as I can. And I believe that if you, like, I pray every day and I ask God every single day. I speak with Jesus. And I believe that if you want something, you'll get it. If you want to work hard for it, you'll get it. And I 100%, like, I can tell you right now confidently, I'm going to be one. There's no way I'm not going to be a millionaire. I refuse to not be a millionaire. Thank you, though. I appreciate the encouragement. Guys, we're taking the low, man. We're going to take the low. We are absolutely going to take the low. Thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Where's your divs? Where are they? Look how thick the money flow is here on the 3. Where's your local div? You don't have one. We're going to come for the low. It's going to happen during this stream, hopefully. I am not a financial advisor. Need I remind you of my disclaimer? Don't listen to me. What do I know? I'm a wannabe millionaire and a wannabe singer. Bro, sing and pump Bitcoin to 43K. How about we pump Bitcoin to 43K after we tap 39.5? Cats suck except for tigers. Yeah, I agree with that. Tigers are pretty cool. Getting the VIP, my guy. I like your style. You just want simplicity in this endeavor. Hey, man, I appreciate you, David. I appreciate you. Head over, man. Head over. You have a good understanding of Market Cipher because of Jason's course. Listen, bro. I'm telling you this 100%. I'm telling you this so transparently. I learned a lot. Actually, I learned basically everything from Jay and from Tino, okay? I then incorporated my own ways to trade. I incorporated my own, like, kind of thinking and whatever. I incorporated, like, the Market Cipher alongside the vector candles. Jay doesn't use vector candles, right? So I took the best and the best bits from my peers now. And I will tell you this. Nobody, and I don't mean this in a cocky way, nobody explains Market Cipher as clearly and thoroughly as I do. And if you're struggling with Market Cipher, guys, get the bootcamp. I might recycle the other bootcamps in a sense that I will do other classes. I don't think I will ever redo the Market Cipher B1 because it is so freaking hard. It is so hard. I don't think I'm ever going to redo this class because I don't think I can ever say it as good as I said it here. It is very complicated. It is very difficult. But I do my best to narrow down 3.5 years of knowledge, of Market Cipher knowledge, in 3 hours. Don't listen to Gio. He's 5'2". Guys, don't listen to me. I am 5'2". You're right. You are the GOAT, bro. God bless you. I appreciate that, man. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. J who? Jason Casper. Shouts out to Mr. Jason Casper. Him alongside Tino changed my life, and I'm very appreciative of it. I did put in the work, and I have my own twist on it, but I am very, very influenced by these two gentlemen. Polar bought VIP last night for $13, but super tempted to go back and buy it 2 or 3 times, but you were not sure if that would work. Now it's $30. Polar, listen, if you bought it for $13, it's a monthly subscription, so you got it, bro. You got it for 13. Now it's up there, man. I've been giving you guys VIP free for like 8 months, 9 months. All right, so let's take a look here locally, guys. Locally, look, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. I don't know how many more times I got to say it. We don't have the divs. We don't have it. Let's see if we come and take the low. Which one of my boot camps or YouTube videos goes over order blocks? I don't talk about order blocks on YouTube, and I never will. But this one here, order blocks and liquidity. That big water bottle is actually just 500 mils. You're right, guys. I'm 5'2", and so this is not actually a gallon. It's 500 mils. It just looks bigger because I'm so small. Do we have red vectors on the 4 hour? I think we do, yeah. Yeah, we do have red vectors, but look at what happened, right? We have the red vectors, and we're always to be following the money, but this vector already wicked up and recovered these 2 vectors, suggesting that we have more downside. And remember, these red vectors on the 4 hour and this like pink vector, for example, that also has already been recovered. These like 4 hour time frame, you could look at your macro range on the 4 hour, meaning that this 4 hour doesn't need to come and get recovered right now. It does not need to come and get recovered right away. It does not need to come and get recovered right away, right? It's 4 hour structure. It's 4 hour vectors. Like, look at how we had 3, and remember, when you have vector candles that reside within your range, they're more likely than not going to get recovered, right? 3 green vectors to the upside, and then we recovered it. Then we recovered the red ones. Then we recovered the green ones, right? So we're simply just taking it at the range, but just understand that the red ones don't need to get recovered right away. And guys, why would we come down here again to not sweep liquidity? Why? Like, make it make sense. And they do that all the time. They've done it 5 times already, but it doesn't change the idea of why would they. It makes way more sense. If they're gonna go higher, it makes way more sense to sweep the low. Geo, our good student can become better than a teacher. I do agree with that. I do agree with that. Will VIP channel do group live futures together in the Discord? Well, we do that. Yeah, Arctic, we do that. So this is okay. Let me explain it because this is relatively new. So the VIP is not like how the VIP was before. Okay, it is in the sense that I give you guys the updates 5-10 times a day, but we have a new like VIP sessions thing where I do my TA with you guys and you guys can ask questions and interact with me. And then if I'm ever around on my computer, okay, like look, I gave this trade setup. Okay, I wasn't around, but this trade setup was a trade setup. And let's just say I was around. When we came up here, I would very quickly at everyone and say, yo, get in here and we'll take the trade together. Okay, I am around a lot. Sometimes I go to the gym and I'm not there, but I give you guys updates even when I'm not, right? I say I'm not at the gym or whatever, and these guys ask like, yo, what's good? Like, we're in the zone or whatever. I've also been having some issues with my trading view alerts, which is another story, but not important. My point is like, yes, it's $30 a month, but it's way more interactive now. And you guys get to see what I'm doing. Like, we will take the trades together. We will take the trades together. And we took one trade. I told you guys over the weekend, I took a Doge long. And then as soon as the Doge long, like, looked like it wasn't going to break to the upside. Like, we had our target. I was up 150% on the Doge long. Look. We took, or 130%. We took this together live. No, okay, not live, but I told you guys that I took it. Is like, and then whoever took it with me, and I gave the stop loss and everything. When we were around this point, I said, guys, I took profits, stop losses at the entry. Okay, and then when things weren't looking good, I was like, okay, guys, it's time to start. It's time to close it. Okay, so I'm very, very interactive, man. I'm very interactive with you guys. Very, very interactive. Whew. I bet you're locked in at $13. Yeah, bro, you're locked in at 13. No, you're gonna remain at 13 until further notice. You will be at 13, so not to worry. Money flow getting thicker on 2 hours for the doggy. Yeah, it is. But remember, it's important to watch where you're relative to Bitcoin. So my next 2 videos, guys, my next one is going to be identifying what I call significant and insignificant market cipher B waves. Okay, they teach you guys that there is, you know, anchor, trigger. I don't use that terminology because I find that it doesn't work for me. I've created my own definitions, my own terminology for market cipher B, and I'm going to introduce you to those definitions in my next video. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. But the next video after that is going to be how can you use the money flow and how to and vector candles to potentially spot if you have a fake out. And I think that if Bitcoin SFPs the low, like we're expecting it may, and Dogecoin comes into this level here, and money flow is looking how it's looking right now, then I suspect that would be a low. I don't trade off of order blocks. I do trade off of order blocks. Geo, is the 100 to 1,000 still on? Yeah, the 100 to 1,000 is still on. We're definitely gonna only do that in the VIP, like that's for sure. But I will say this, I don't know if it's gonna be the end of the month yet, because guys, I have so much going on right now. I'm like, I need to get off of WAP. I'm working on my own site. Like I have so much going on that it might get a little bit delayed. So I know I've been talking about it for like a couple months now, and I apologize. Things are just so busy, but I'm basically getting all of the work I need to do out of the way so that I can focus on just stuff like that. So yes, the 100 to 1,000 is still gonna happen. I don't know when yet though. I have so much to do. Yeah, homie is solid. He knows his shit. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hey man, you're new. Crypto Jack, welcome, man. I'm glad that you're here. I hope you're liking it, guys. If you like the content, make sure you hit the like button. We are 29 likes away from another giveaway. Okay, this week, every time we get to 100 likes on every stream, and I stream every day, every 100 likes I will do a bootcamp giveaway. So if you're here and you're new here and you like the content, make sure you stick around and make sure you hit the like button for me. Whoa, I'm radioactive. All right, guys, listen, you guys know what time it is, man. You guys know. We're going to hit our second party, baby. We're going to hit our second party right now. Listen, my friendos that have been here, you already know what's good right now. Listen to me. Come to Brooklyn. Yo, I was in Brooklyn in September. Man, Brooklyn is a scary place. Guys, Brooklyn, like, absolutely scary. I was actually genuinely, and I don't mean this in like any type of way. I was in a very bad neighborhood in Brooklyn, and I was like genuinely scared to like walk outside in the broad daylight. Like it was like 2 p.m. and I was genuinely scared. Guys, listen, if you are new here, yeah. Phil knows what's good. Listen, if you're new here, guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does so that you can have a lot more confidence when you are taking your trades, okay? I live stream every day. I build a narrative every day, whatever, okay? I need your help, though. I need your help. For the old people, the old comers, I need your help. Let's show the newbies. If you're new here, drop a random emoji in the chat right now. If you are new here, say you're new and drop a random emoji. And for the ones that are returning, I need your help. We got to show the people the value that I provide, okay? Don't take my word for it. I am biased, okay? I think I provide value, but I'm biased. Don't take my word for it. Take everyone else's word for it. Guys, if I provided you value in any way, I was very, very scared to get stepped on. You're right. If I provided you value in any way whatsoever, I made your life better. I opened your eyes to the market makers. I helped you become financially free. I helped your mind mentally. Whatever it may be. Let's see those fire emojis in the chat right now. Fire emojis in the chat, guys. If I made your life better in any way, let's get it, baby. Welcome to the newcomers. Welcome.
I'll let you be, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all good friends say he's the one, yeah. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? Fire emojis, fire emojis. Does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the heart? Yeah! Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis. He doesn't know, bro. He doesn't know. Gio is awesome. Listen, bro, I gotta work with what I got. He's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should. And all good friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. Ready? Does he know you call me when he sleeps? And does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reasons that you cry? Does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies? Promise out. Let's go. Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me that he knows where your heart lies. Where it truly lies. Guys, I think that you guys think that I am working with like non-copyright. I'm working with copyrighted music, okay? Or sorry, with non-copyrighted music. I don't have a choice. This is all I got for you guys, man. This is all I can do for y'all. I can't do better, sadly, okay? Can y'all just, okay? Oh, I want something just like this. All right?
All right, man. She works the nights by the water. All right, like the music for the most part. Leave a comment. See you in the vector candles yesterday. Yep. Bro, the neighbors are sleeping. You're right. The neighbors are sleeping. How does the YouTube algo not ping this as copyrighted? Because I am above the law. That's why. I am above the law. All right, guys. So let's take a look, man. Let's see what's going on here with BTCZ. With BTCZ. First of all, what are we at? Okay, 20 more likes and then we got a giveaway. Cool. So look, guys, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. I don't know how many more times I got to say that. The technical target for this SFP technically is this high. Let's see if we're going to get it. But first, man, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and we're so close to the low. And listen, I'm going to go ahead and say this, okay? I'm going to go ahead and say this, guys. Last Friday, when we came to these lows, I don't want to say I got burned. I did not get burned, but I did not take the long because I wanted to come and take the low. Just like what might happen here, okay? So, as per my disclaimer, don't listen to me because I'm 5'2" 3/4. I don't know how to sing, and I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm not interested in any longs, guys. I'm not. And we could go to 50K from here, and you could have longed it, and you could say, Gio, you were right. And I'm going to say, congratulations, man. I'm so happy for you. I hope you made 100K on that move. But for me, I'm not here. Man, I want to sweep the low. And we might not. And if we don't, cool. I'll just trade a range that's higher. No problem. But when we're this close to the low, we're $500 off of the low. Come on, man. And volatility has been like relatively dead. Right, this whole ETF thing, I'm not a newspaper, guys, don't get it twisted, I am not a newspaper. But the whole ETF thing happened, and then volume just died off instantly. Man, like, we know how fast Bitcoin can move. We know that by the time I'm even done this sentence, Bitcoin could be at 38K. So, I'm not interested in any longs. I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong for it, but I'm not. Hit up Cyborg from FG, great producer, he makes beats. Yeah, I know. You did all that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Praise the Lord and break the law. Yeah, man. Escape the Matrix, bro. This shit's real. You've been with Casper for a while? Welcome, bro. Welcome. Hey, guys, I'm going to go pee because, you know, my 500 milliliter bottle here. BRB. I'm gonna hit you guys. I'm gonna hit you guys with an ad. But you're not gonna miss anything. So don't miss the ad. Don't skip the ad. Okay, I'll be right back. And then we'll do some more alts. She works the nights by the water. She got astray and so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants the night for a baby. Right, man. I got my St. Peaches out in Georgia. Booyah. All right, let's catch up here. FTX completely sold out its stake. Don't know what that means. 37.5K incoming. I can see that. I can see that. We got a nice order block down there, so I can see it. I could see it for sure. I need to learn about finding where market liquidity is. Why/what the market will do based on market makers' drive to keep open interest up and still liquidate traders. Well, listen. I can answer this question so easily. Not that it's a question, but I can answer this so fast. Guys, why do ranges happen? Remember, if we open up CVD, market maker's job, okay? Market maker's job is to increase open interest, right? His job is to get you to provide your liquidity, to commit your liquidity. So why do ranges happen? It's not because they need to give institutions a chance to buy, because that's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. It's not because they need to give the RSIs a chance to cool off, because that's the stupidest shit I've ever heard. It is simply to build liquidity, okay? So when we come down and we start to range here, what happens? We sweep the high, we sweep the low. We convince traders at these points that price is going higher. We convince traders at these points that price is going to go lower. So we build liquidity to then either shoot price up or continue price down. Those are the ugliest arrows in the history. This is a freaking shovel. This is not even an arrow. Anyways, very easy, very easy. And if you want to look for liquidity, bro, it's so easy. Just like on whatever time frame you're on, it's literally the easiest thing. Let me come to a clean chart. Like, okay, just think, where do people have their stop losses? Okay, there are stop losses here, there are stop losses here, there are stop losses here, there are stop losses here. This double top notion, oh, there's a double top here, and people say, oh, that's a bullish sign. That's not a bullish sign. There is liquidity there if there's a double top. So there's liquidity all here. Okay, if you zoom out, there is liquidity all beneath here. It's so easy, man. Just look and you'll see it. Like it's you know, all you got to do is look. I got my delicious. No, yeah, they didn't do it to make triangles, bro. Believe it or not. Hey, listen, believe it or not, this market is moved by money. It's not moved by mathematics. Just saying. Believe it or not, bro. Believe it or not. Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her.
Come on. Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low.
Okay. Let's look at another altcoin. Bro, Phil, this comment is really funny. It's actually really funny. Okay, guys, first altcoin I see, I'm doing it. Can I put some rock? Yeah. So they had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Woo! Man, I'll tell you the problem, bro. The problem with my rock playlist. Let me tell you the problem with my rock playlist. The problem is that it's copyright free, so it's just like nothing. Like, listen. Like, it's not songs that we know. That's the problem. Yeah, I saw Caspa first. Let me tell you what she's about. know she's been around. Okay, we're gonna do Caspa, Caspita. Okay, so we gotta play catch up on Caspa, as you can see. Very clearly, we gotta play catch up here. So that's my problem. Oh, that's my problem. That is my problem with the rock, but I'll do this because I want to do this. So you guys have to just kind of deal with it. While I do my TA on Caspa, I'm going to sing for you guys a rock song that I wrote like 3-4 years ago. Okay, it's just gonna be a cappella, and I'm just gonna work while I'm talking, okay? So it's, you know this one girl, let me tell you what she's about. She's from a small town, but you know she's been around. She's staying out late and got no plan of stopping tonight. They all want a taste, but she's the one with the bite. Ooh, you'll think she's thinking of you. But ooh, she's fucking another dude. Cause she's a bad girl, a bad girl. You know that she's a bad girl, a bad girl. A bad girl, a bad girl. I know that she's a bad girl. Thank you. She's got no plan of stopping tonight. All right, we're done with that. Let's get to the TA, man. Guys, come on. Come on now. All right. You know what? We're gonna redo this, bitch. Hey, thank you guys. To see my own music. In another universe, I'm a popular singer. Hey, music's always been the goal, bro. Always. Here's a little song I wrote. Guys, 10 more likes and we're doing another giveaway, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. So if there's substantial liquidity to recover to the upside and downside, how do you determine which direction the market maker will go? That is literally the $1 billion question, bro. That is the $1 billion question. Stick around on my channel and you'll learn a thing or two. Okay, let's talk Casper real quick. So Casper market structure is as follows, all right? We got this stuff doesn't really matter. We have low, high, higher, low. I mean, you could say, does it matter? Yeah, it actually does. Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, flipped market structure bearishly, and then currently an unconfirmed high, okay? So everything within the contents of this range technically is internal until the low is taken, okay? And as you can see, we are in range-based demand right now currently. So we know that. That's fine. We have a nice 18-hour order block down here to the south of where we are. And remember, guys, it is important to understand where your alts are relative to Bitcoin. Okay, so just like I said with the Dogecoin, if Bitcoin is going to come down and take its low, where might Caspa go? Remember, your alts will bleed a lot more. So on Bitcoin, currently where we're at, let's just say, give or take, is a 2.5% move to the downside. If Bitcoin moves 2.5% to the downside and dominance is up the way that dominance is up, do you guys think that Caspa can dump minus 18%? I would say that's kind of a long shot, but we do have macro range demand here, okay? And so What if Bitcoin now decides to dump, instead of hitting this order block, it comes and dumps 7% to this order block? Does it then make sense for Caspa to dump 15%? Oh, hell yeah. So when we're paying attention to Caspa, when we're paying attention to Dogecoin or Chili's or whatever other coins y'all want, damn, the rasp. The rasp is why I lose my voice every single day, bro. It's for sure, like, you know, if Bitcoin dumps 7%, guys, Caspa is going to dump 15%. Not might, it will. It will. Okay? So it's important to know that. Technically speaking, right now, I mean, Caspa's kind of in a similar situation as Bitcoin, where it hasn't swept any macro lows. Okay, we haven't swept any macro lows recently. And so if we're not going to sweep it, like, you know, we'll see. Just, I think for me, I'm not interested in Caspa until we, at the very least, take this daily low. At the very, very least. Especially because we're this close to it. Now, remember, we're in a manipulated area. So does that mean that we can't come up first and then come down? No. But again, Bitcoin came to its low 5 times already. You know, what are the odds that it happens on the 6th time? I'm not going to say that it can't. It absolutely can. But we need to be aware that one of these times, guys, it's going to sweep it, okay? There's no such thing as a non-39K Bitcoin again. It is going to hit 39K. I can guarantee that. At some point in Bitcoin's future, upcoming future, it is going to hit 39K. But what do I know? Because all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible, and Justin Trudeau is a virgin. Always do your own research. Viewer discretion is advised. AN, he's not answering. You call the market maker and ask him, sir, what would you like to go today? Yeah. All right, somebody said 10 more likes. How many more likes do we have now? Okay, I'm gonna dump the rock, man. Not that I don't like it, but I like songs that we all know. Okay, we're 5 more likes, guys. 5 more likes, and we got another giveaway. And we're probably gonna hit it, so let me just explain the rules of the duel real quick. For those that are just tuning in, I have 4 boot camps, okay? Market structure, key zones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, and market cipher and time frames. If you are looking for some free knowledge, okay? Each one of my boot camps are over 3 hours long. And, yeah, you have a chance to win it. Once we get 5 more likes, you get a chance to win a bootcamp giveaway. And guys, this week, every single stream, which is every single day, every 100 likes I get, we're gonna do a bootcamp giveaway. So give me the likes and I'll give you the bootcamp giveaway. Fair exchange. Shorty got low, 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 low. That big booty is ours. All I need is your love tonight. All right, guys. All right. Do you know what I mean? All right. Let's see what we see here on Market Cipher B. Oh, man. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Remember that time I told you the thicker the money flow? Listen, guys. Listen. This is a perfect example, and I'm not knocking on Market Cipher. I'm not knocking on CryptoFace. They're obviously doing something right if they are in the position that they're in. I'm not knocking them, but I want to show you guys something. My definitions for these waves are different than theirs, okay? They say, here's your anchor, here's your trigger, you can enter. I say no. There's no entry here. If it goes up, congratulations to them. But based on my rules, it is not up. And so my next video is going to explain to you guys why I do not consider this a significant wave. Okay? I guess I kind of gave the secret a little bit. The next video, guys, I have redefined these waves into what I consider significant and insignificant waves. And this wave is an insignificant wave. In other words, we are ignoring it. I don't care if it's an anchor, trigger. We are ignoring. It is as good as 0 to us. And that's going to be my next YouTube video. So if you guys are here for the first time and you haven't been completely turned off by my face or my voice or the fact that I walk kind of like a penguin, then I suggest you hit the like button, and I suggest you hit the subscribe button, and I suggest you hit the notification bell, and I suggest everything else. Is your love Bang! We got to 200 likes, man. Okay, guys, y'all know the rules, man. I don't have a new a YouTube short for you guys today, but we're gonna do the same thing for the ones that are just joining in right now. I imagine Sharant is adding everybody right now. I imagine he's adding everybody. And if you're just tuning in, this is the rules, guys. This is the video you gotta go to. Make sure you leave a comment. The comment needs to say MC, and it has to have a crown in it. You can write anything else you want. I don't care. You could say Geo sucks. You could say Geo was the best Halo 3 player of all time, which is true. You could say whatever you want. Am I 5'6"? No, I'm 5'2". Shouts out Zigzag with the 200th like. All I need is your love tonight. All right, guys. So go leave that comment. What time is it right now? So it's 12:10. I'm gonna go 6 minutes, guys. In 6 minutes, we're gonna do the giveaway. Okay, so go leave a comment there. And make sure that you like the video. If the video is not liked, you're not gonna win. Geo sucks. Geo does suck. Geo loves Biden. No, this is not a thing. You're not allowed to write Geo loves Biden. This is not a thing. You can write Geo hates Trudeau. Is your love tonight acting real nice? All right, we'll see the comments coming in. How many comments do we have? 123 comments. 1, 2, 3. Halo, bro, you old. Yeah, man. Halo 3 was the greatest game of all time. What you talking? What you talking? MC Crown. I watched this video 6 times in a row yesterday. Hey, shouts out to Pablo. 'Cause you make me move. Yeah, you always make me go. You got the MC energy. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. I just realized that MC is the same as Market Cipher. That's crazy. Shouts out to all you guys, man. Okay, this is too emotional. Guys, we had a funeral on Friday. If you missed it, go back and watch it. We literally had a funeral. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown, bring me in a bit too far. I'm not the man that think I am at home. Alright, guys.
It's going down. Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Yo, it's fun, man. Fun AF, guys. Alright, guys.
It's going down.
That booty on me. Okay, I'm gonna go pee again real quick. 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. We're gonna do the giveaway. BRBs. RIP Geobot.
Let's go and take 9 shots, we'll just call it 50. And I don't know, lick it till I hickey. Had that river running, keep you running till you empty. Oh, you look so sweet. What you work your palace? Look at your physique. Girl, you are a beauty, but I am a beast. They must have been tripping till I left me off a leash. I like the way you grind with that booty on me. It's going down. Go down while you looking lonely. It's going down. Go around and it's all on me.
Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the club with that booty on me. It's going down. Go down while you looking lonely. It's going down. Go around and it's all on me. Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the
Problem, look at your physique, baby. MC Nuggets.
It's going down. Either way you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the
No, MC, bro. MC is Market Cipher. MC is Market Cipher, but I also MC. Like, I DJ and MC. Just from the homepage and hover my mouse over another crypto stream. And the guy was doing geometry. Who was it? Immediately tell me. Better poop while I'm there. Man, you guys already know I'm the most efficient, baby. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway, man. Let us do the giveaway. While Bitcoin refuses forever to dump, man. Hurry. We've been waiting for 4 days. Actually, we've been waiting for 4 months. We've been waiting literally for 4 months for this thing to dump. Okay. We have hit 200 likes, guys. We're going to do the giveaway. Let's refresh this bitch. Let's refresh this bitch. Let's copy this bitch. Let's paste this bitch. Good luck, everybody. I wish all of you guys could win. I'm just joking. I don't wish you guys could all win. We need a gaming section? No. We need a top 1% section, which we have. Gaming ain't it, chief. Unless you're making money gaming, nobody should be gaming. But what do I know? I mean, need I remind you of my disclaimer? What do I know? All right, guys, here's the bootcamp giveaway winner. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ready? And boom. Boom. Bouts. Beaut. 6045. You are the bootcamp winner. Congratulations, bro or sis. You are the winner. Make sure that you click on the top right on your YouTube. You screenshot this. Make sure that the video is liked. If the video is not liked, you do not win. DM my moderators this screenshot. Let them know which bootcamp you like. And I will get it for you right after the stream ends. Congratulations. Bout. We need a gay room. I'm with that. I'm with that. Yo, you mentioned there is an order blocks document at WAP. What if you do if you didn't purchase it through WAP? DM me, bro. DM me. I'll get it for you. No problem. I know who you are anyways, but just DM me so it's easier for you to find me than for me to find you. So please just DM me. Guys, don't be sad, man. Every day this week, every time we get 100 likes on a stream, I am going to do a giveaway for you guys. So, you know, okay, guys, listen, we've been streaming for 2 hours. Your boy's got to go to the gym. Crypto Lifer is the king of triangles. Yeah, I mean, that's, hey, to each his own, man. If he's profitable doing that, cool. But I just look at things in a different perspective. I don't say, oh, man, we got great support here. Let me long it. Because, like, people, like, look, the truth, like, man, I don't do this and say, oh, we have crazy support here, and then adjust my lines. Like, it's funny because they adjust the lines. Like, if it breaks the line, like, look at this. Watch. This was your line, right? At first, you had 1.2 tap, but then you broke the line. So what do you do now? Do you do this? And then now this is the new support. Like, I don't do this. It's so subjective. It makes no sense. So while I don't do that, to each their own. Like, I don't think, oh, I'm at support, let me long it. I think, oh shit, we can grab some serious liquidity here. I could get wrecked if I long it. But to each their own. Eric says, if you ever win anything, pack your bags. Eric, it's your first day, man. You'll get there, I promise. How do I go about picking a crypto to trade? I just do TA. Carolina Crypto. Geo, you're blind. Man. You want to know who the hell plays all these gaming token games? Yeah, I agree. Lifer is so hard. I've never watched this person before. Let's try. Crypto Lifer. Let's see. Oh, what the hell?
And you wouldn't want people to see what you're doing because you're the one in control. Right? Yeah. Hope Shadow is not a rug pull we did. Shadow Twitter went from 900 followers to 204 in 1 hour. Nah, I mean, it's Shadow's, and I firmly believe it's not a rug pull. It's a real project, man. with a lot of developers and a lot of key insight. Yeah. Crypto Clown wrote honey ripping. He says honey is gonna rip.
Yeah, this guy's is aggressively underwhelming. For me, anyways. To each their own, right? To each their own is just a polite way of saying you're wrong, by the way. You've been very successful trading triangles like Lifer. You just need to adjust your lines as new data comes in. Nothing wrong with that. Bro, listen. If it works for you, I'm happy. Keep doing it. If it works for you, keep doing it. But I genuinely don't know if that's sarcasm or not. Like, I'm not joking. I genuinely don't know. Anyways, guys, listen. I'm out, man. It's been 2 hours. Your boy got to hit the gym. Does volume play a role in determining what to trade? Well, I mean, yeah, like you do TA on everything, you know? Lifer sucks, bro. At 65K, I told him we were crashing, and he said you were insane and put me in a timeout and made fun of you with sarcasm, and you never went back. That is so funny. Oh my God, man, this is the problem, guys. Listen, this is what, you know what it is? Listen, oh, I just Da Vinci'd. I just cracked the Da Vinci on what it is. Man, listen, there is a reason why. Oh my God, I can't believe I just thought of this. Hold on, let me make sure I have non-copyright music on so that I can say this and clip it later. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I just thought of this. Okay. Listen to me, guys. I'm gonna say this and then I'm gonna go. This is actually really funny. Listen, let's do whatever song. Let's do this song. Sure. This guy. Okay. Listen. There is a reason why. Hold on, let me remove this. There is a reason why short money feels so much better than long money. Okay, there's a reason. It's because long money, or the bulls, which is stupid because we're all human, but the bulls, they like attack the bears. Okay, and like I swear wish harm on you. They're like, oh man, you're an idiot. Like, I hope you die. I hope this, I hope that. Whereas, like, it seems like the bears are just like, oh, price is going down. Like, cool, we're chilling. But the bulls, like, attack the bears. Like, they're on some, like, next, like, crack or something, okay? And I Da Vinci'd. I just realized it right now. Man, bulls are liberals. They're like, because they just suppress everything that is not their own. Like, any opinion that is of not their own, they attack it and they like get you canceled and shit. Gio, oh my God, guys, Gio said that Bitcoin's going down. We have to cancel him. Let's attack. I just realized that bulls are liberals. Man, I'm not a bear and I'm not a bull. I'm a freaking human. I'm a human. I'm not a bull and I'm not a bear. But these guys are just nonstop. Oh, we're never going down. We're never going to. I remember BitBoy once was like, yeah, guys, we're never going to see below 47K again. Bro, we went to $15,000. Yo, they are literally liberals. Bulls are liberals. Oh my, I can't believe I just realized that. Yeah, man. That's funny. 80% success rate. Trading triangle breakouts when you wait for a successful backtest. Hey, listen. Look. I'm gonna say this, bro. And I'm not. If I came off as condescending, I didn't mean it. But I'm gonna say this. They work. I'm not gonna say that they don't work, but you gotta, like, for me, I teach why the market moves the way that it does, right? And so, am I gonna say that this held because you knew how to draw a line there? No, I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say that your breakout and retest works because of liquidity reasons, not because of like anything else. Lifer will tell you exactly what to do. Lol, just do the opposite. Yeah. Lifer is not a go-to YouTuber. His knowledge is average at best. Geo would trade Lifer under the table. Let's have a death match. Yo, this is a funny comment though, bro. That's kind of how they are, man. They just attack. And the bulls are like, yo, you go on Twitter, guys. I'm on Twitter, by the way. So hop on Twitter if you're not on Twitter. And by the way, I post things on my Twitter that I don't post in the Discord. So it serves you best to get your ass over there and follow me. Someone should take Twitter away from me because I'm having a little bit too much fun with it. But nonetheless, yo, you post anything negative, Guys, anything negative at all, and they attack you. They like come and attack you. It's so weird. It's like you offended them. It's like you insulted their baby. It's like you insulted their gender neutral baby. All right, guys, I'm out. Dude, he was so mad at me. He was like, you got a crystal ball and you got a time machine, whatever. You went to Discord 48 hours asking for an apology and he literally told you off. That's crazy, man. That is actually crazy. That is actually crazy. All right, guys, listen, I will keep you guys updated in the VIP Discord. I will keep you guys updated there. I will man, I'm so dude, we had 2 hours, almost 2.5 hours of this, and they didn't. And I gave the market makers 12 hours notice, and they still are playing with me. Now, guaranteed, as soon as I get off stream, they're gonna make the move. Anyways, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. I would like to see the top YouTube trading personalities have a trading competition. My bet is on Chart Champions. I've never seen Chart Champions, but I know that he or they are good from what I've heard. Anyways, guys, listen. I will catch you guys in the VIP Discord. Make sure you join. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And just like today, guys, every single day this week, every 100 likes we get, I'm going to do a bootcamp giveaway for you guys. Have a good one. Happy trading. Peace out. Don't be stupid. We're at very macro levels. So if you're going to long and you're going to win, I hope you're going to win. Good luck. I hope you do. I personally am not going to long until we take the low. Zigzag, bro. There is no more codes for the VIP Discord. It's paid only. You can go to the description in the link. WAP.com/trader-geo. Guys, that's all I got for you today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Happy trading. Bye.
Set my heart on fire.